It's a bird. It's a plane. It's Super Mouse. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. It's Cats from K Cats Arts. Thanks for everybody that has subscribed to my channel, who has followed us on Instagram. We've got a lot new followers. Sorry, I'm stumbling on my words. I'm so excited about this one. This person actually is not on my Instagram, but does follow me on YouTube, and I know her personally. It's my daughter. She created that picture that you saw in the beginning, Super Mouse. She actually created it first when she was 4 years old, and then she redid it again. Unfortunately, I can't find the 4-year-old one, but I do have it somewhere, that picture, and it's so super cute. It was done in Copics. This one she did was done in pencil crayons, and I know she subscribes to me here, so hi honey. I'm making this video for you. I know I should have made it first, but you know Isabella did answer me first on it, on the Instagram, so it was fair to do her first. No favoritism here, although you are my favorite, babe. Anyways, Super Mouse is one of her original characters, obviously her own OC, and I decided to recreate or redraw challenge this character. So super cute. Her design, like I said, was originally done in Copic, but she did redo it, and she did it in pencil crayon, which I was really impressed because she tends to draw really dark colors or like streaky lines, so I was impressed with her coloring in this one. So yeah, I decided to recreate it because I thought he was so cute, and she has a different style of art. I would say it's more of a kawaii, chibi, anime kind of expression, so I decided to stay in that kind of style, but again, doing it in my style, of course, with the highlights and the shadows and all that kind of stuff. So this is pretty much it. So I just want to thank everybody that has left tons and tons of messages of OCs that they want me to create or ideas to come up with. I really appreciate it. If you want to be featured and you want a shout out as well, please subscribe to our channel here on YouTube as well as on Instagram, and send us an email. Leave any comments below just letting us know what video you would like to see next. It could be a drawing challenge, whatever it might be. Just let me know and leave it below, and there will be much more of these OCs coming up and different redraws. So just sit back and enjoy. And to my daughter Caitlin, keep on pursuing your dreams. You are amazing. Never give up on your dreams, and continue to follow, I guess, in mommy's footsteps if that's what you want to do. But follow your heart, and you are an amazing artist, and you are going to grow into such a strong and beautiful woman. And I'm so proud of the character that you've created, an original design, not following somebody else's pictures or references like mom does sometimes, but all on your own. And I really appreciate for you asking me to do this. It's really an honor to redo one of your pieces. And just look out for her, guys, because she's going to come strong and fierce, and she's going to be an amazing artist. Just keep on practicing and you're going to nail it. Thank you, baby girl. I'll talk to you guys later, and keep on watching. Enjoy.